Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial 4, I Like How It Feels by Enrique Iglesias featuring Pitbull. Let's get started. The feet are going to be just in a nice, solid position, standing nice and tall, plain and simple. We're just going to work the arms first. Start with that right arm. Take 4 full counts. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take all that music just to open the arm gorgeous. Then left arm, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to plie a little bit. We're going to bring that right arm down. And it's going to come up 1, 2, 3, 4, left arm, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the feet are going to start to tap. Just tap and tap. Nice and slow for the next section. Arms are going to be up. We're going to make this and we're going to start to just pump the arms. So from the side, we're just feeling that music. And we tap right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat the arms again, but we're going to go double time. We're going to keep the taps of the feet. So this time we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, slow. Right arm again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So instead of 4 counts, we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 2, and pump for 4. Then we're going to pick it up even one more step. And this is going to go 1 count, 1 count, 1 count, 1 count, pump, 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 pump. And the feet are going to still tap, but we're going to go a little hop side to side. So it's going to go right, left. So down, right, down, left. Repeat. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 times. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see all that facing the front, from the top, starting nice and slow. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapping now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. So that's 8 of these. And keep tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has been cut in half. 7, 8. 4, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single time. We hop down, 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 down. Punch, 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 punch. 1, 2, 3. Bring those arms down. 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To begin the next section. All right, next section. We just ended 5, 6, 7, 8. So our weight is on the left foot, leaving the right leg free. These are going to go again 4 times and then travel for 4. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hop and we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 together. Arms are over the head. 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. So that left arm is out, right arm is out, and left arm is just pumping as we go to the right. So we're on that left foot. We just finished these 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump together. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. We'll do the last one, the 4th one, the quick ones. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hair comes over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a really jumpy, party feel song. Awesome. All right, next section, we're going to take it up to the mirror, leading with the right foot for 4 and back for 4. It just goes out, jump together, out, jump together, out, jump together, out, jump together. Same direction back. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now arms are going to be open, clap. So they go open, clap as we jump together, open, clap, open, clap, open, clap. Same direction back, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. Let's see that face in the front. From the last one, we went 1, 2, 3, 4. To the mirror, we go. 1, together, 2, 3, and 4, and back, 2. Repeat, take it up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the first time, we repeat right from the beginning, nice and slow. So we have all that energy, and we take a breath, feet soft, and just the arms work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet turn tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It cuts in half. 2 counts with the taps. 2 counts with the taps. 4 times single, 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 tap, tap, ba, 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 tap, 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 tap. That's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right back into those side, 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 and side. Remember, we're still jumping that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, repeat. And again, up to the mirror. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, repeats. So we've done that full jumping cardio set 2 times through, starting each time with that nice, slow, and beautiful arms. Then we have the breakdown. We're going to walk into the mirror, right, right, clap. We're going to walk it back, left, clap. Walk it up, right, arms. And we're going to have these little touchdown arms, and we're going to throw them back as we hop, 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 hop. So it's walk, walk back, walk up, hop back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take it around the world. So I'll show that facing the front. Breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Arms hop, hop to the back. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Arms hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. We go. Hop, hop, hop. Front. And then right here, there's a little breath in the music, and we're going to do a fan kick. So the fan kick is the right leg. It just comes to the front, to this cross. It opens up nice and high as you go. It could be here. It could be here. It could be up top. So you choose. We're working the right leg. So facing the front, the last one. We hop back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fan kick, right leg, left arm opens. And then we go right back into the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. And we end with up to the mirror with those claps. And work it back. Ta, ta, ta. And on the final thing, we're going to hit a pose. We're going to throw the arm up in the air because we like how it feels. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.